Hi, this is Chris Ruisi, and welcome to another episode of the Weekly Mind Jolt. Today I want to talk to you about when it becomes necessary to fire a client. Now, over the course of a typical business year, you engage with your clients, the ones you like and the ones that you have a great working relationship with. You're making money, they're having their needs fulfilled in an efficient and pleasant manner. It's a win-win for both of you. However, there are those clients who make you remember what it was like when you heard somebody scratch their fingernails on a chalkboard. In fact, you can feel it right now. These are the clients that you want the earth to open up and swallow. Your good clients are great to deal with. They appreciate what you do. They offer referrals, and they buy from you time and time again. Your clients from hell, on the other hand, always complain. They always want to break on price. They pay late, and their referrals are non-existent, which is probably a good thing. These folks can take more of your time and energy in excess of what they contribute to your business in terms of revenue. Bottom line, when you take into consideration all of these emotional and aggravation factors, you're losing money on them. Imagine what you could do with the time that you're currently wasting on bad clients. How about more and better business development activities resulting in new and better clients? Or spending quality time working on your business as opposed to in it? Or spending more time with your family? Now, before you go off and start firing clients left and right, you need to come up with a reasonable system to rank them. A scale that I was taught and continue to be helpful is as follows. A is for awesome, B is for basic, C stands for the clients you can't deal with, and D are the clients that are dead in terms of business with your company and there's no relationship worth saving. Now, your first step is an easy one. Dump the D's immediately. Now, your A clients, those are your franchise players. These are the ones who offer your business the most measurable potential. When it comes to your A clients and how they contribute to your business, it's okay to treat them better than others. Now, your B clients are like your minor league system. Many are steady performers, but some can contribute more. You want to nurture them and develop them into becoming A clients. Now, with respect to your C can't deal with clients, some may need a close review to see if they can become B players. Find them, get them on the right track. Others need to be fired. A simple way to do this is to make the decision that you must eliminate 10% of your C players. Every time that I've fired a client, a new and better one just shows up. So let's not overthink this. You have to periodically get rid of your bad clients to make room for better ones that will help you grow your business. Just remember, you get what you tolerate. And this is especially true when you hold on to bad clients longer than you should. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you again next week.